Hey, hello guys, this is me Sam Nijan from Frozen Lakes and I'm here to show you how to install the VS Code for Linux and also the Windows. So first of all, let's see how to install on Linux. Get into the browser. So then type VS Code download. Then click on the first link as you can see here. So if you are using the Red Hat or Fedora, you can use this, or Debian, Ubuntu, or Kali Linux, you can use this .deb. So I'm clicking on this. Since I am using the Kali Linux, the downloading speed is based on your computer performance as well as the speed of your internet connection. So just wait until it get downloaded. After downloading, click on the terminal and list the items over here. Then go to the downloader directory. So you just have to enter CD before. Now let's list the files. So code 1.74.2.deb is the file of ours to get installed. So now let's type sudo apt install. Then our file name. Let's give enter. We have to give the password since it's a sudo mode, which is the administrator mode of the Kali Linux. So just giving enter. So now it has been installed successfully. So let's try. Okay, now it's installed. If you have any issues in installing, whether it's showing some error or something else, just type sudo apt update and just give enter. So it will check all the updates of the system and just update it once it get completed, so that it can do this installation very easily. So now let's type Visual Studio Code and open it. So first of all, you have to set the colors. So whatever the color you like, you can choose it. So it's a high contrast color. So it's the darkest color and also it's the brightest one. So it's a light color and light color with high contrast and it's a dark color. So choose as you like, or else you can click on the see more themes and you can select any of the theme from over here. So you can choose this, or you can choose quiet light, or you can choose the light plus default light, or you can choose red color and whatever you can do. So then click on the next section. So it's an interactive playground. If you want to practice the coding skills over here, you can try it over here. Then it's the conventional built-in terminal. So Visual Studio Code already comes with a terminal, so you don't need to have to open a terminal in like other IDE does. So this limitless extensibility is nothing but an extension. So you can have multiple and lots of extension in this VS Code. This helps you to code very easily. So it's tuning your settings. So if you have to change something like as per your wish, like customizing as you want, you can change this here. So here they are providing some tutorial about how to sort and how to do things with the Visual Studio Code. So you can refer over this tutorial. And if you know need, you just can mark all them. So now the Visual Studio Code is ready for the Linux users. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows. So first of all, get into the browser and type VS Code. Then click on this download link and download this link for Windows, this file. So automatically it will get downloaded. Once it's downloaded, click on this open file. Or just go to the directory where you have downloaded the file and double tap it to install it. Then click on I accept the agreement and click on next. So choose the directory where you want to install the VS Code. Then click on next. Type the name as you wish to have in the start menu folder. Then click on next. And the Visual Studio Code will install soon.
then click on finish. Verify that the launch Visual Studio Code is being checked. Then now click on finish. So now your Visual Studio Code is ready, and you have to set up it as I shown in the Linux version. So you just have to select the theme and click mark done. Okay guys, like the video, share it with your friends, and comment on your feedbacks or any queries or any questions or doubts, something related to this video. Hope you have understood how to install VS Code on Windows as well as in Linux. Thank you guys.